uLinnell uphikile ukuthi wayesetshenziswa ngowayengusihlalo we-SAA uDudu Myeni emsebenzisela ukufeza izinhloso zakhe.
Maybe he did coin the phrase Mr. Fix-It, I'm not sure. But certainly I have performed services, amongst others, for Mrs. Dudu Myeni at state enterprises where she has been a functionary.
Lo fakazi uchazile ngokwenzeka ngenkathi ebizwe nguMyeni ukuze azohlangana nowayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma.
We just sat there in one of the ante-rooms and she briefed me on what she said was what would be the instructions of the president.
uLinnell utshele uSihlalo weKhomishana ukuthi uZuma kwakulokhu kuthiwa uzoba ingxenye yalo umhlangano kodwa akazange alubhade.
He did not. I think at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, apparently he had left that office. It was his residence.
Ufakazi uthi benoDudu Myeni baxoxa ngokumiswa kwezikhulu eziphezulu zase-Eskom.
When I left there at 4 o'clock, in my mind, it would have been part of an approach that the top executives would be proposed that they would be suspended.
Owayengusihlalo webhodi le-Eskom uZola Tsotsi wabhala isitatimende esishaqisayo ethi uLinnell waqashwa nguDudu Myeni ukuze alungise umonakalo uMyeni ayesewenzile eMhlathuze Water Board. Kwathi ngo-2014 waphinde wamqasha futhi kweminye imisebenzi yase-SAA. Kuseloso statimende uTsotsi wadalula ukuthi uLinnell wayeqashelwe ukuthi axoxe ezinye izikhulu eziphezulu e-Eskom ngoba lezi zikhulu zazingafuni ukwenza okuphambene nomthetho, zingafuni futhi ukuthatha eminye imiyalelo eyayivela kowayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma. Ngo-2015 uLinnell wakhokhelwa imali ecele esigidini samarandi ekhokhelwa yi-SAA kube kungalandeliwe imigudu efanele. Isicawu siyaqhubeka.